Unlike RCC structures, where strong columns are there to take the load of the building, in load-bearing or wall-bearing types of construction, the load is borne by the walls. Such constructions are most prevalent in rural and semi-urban localities. These constructions, often called masonry construction, can be made earthquake resistant by following certain guidelines. Earthquake bands must be provided to make a masonry construction earthquake resistant. These bands are nothing but a reinforced concrete member running over all the load-bearing walls of a building. Earthquake bands can be at roof, lintel, and plinth level. These bands integrate all the walls and avoid separation. Vertical reinforcement at the corners and junction of walls is also provided.
Under the huge shock, how this building has performed, which has earthquake bands, earthquake resistant elements, it has damaged but not collapsed. The same type of building, if these provisions were not there, then the building would have collapsed. Exactly this has happened during Uttarkashi earthquake, Latur earthquake, Kilari earthquake, and the Bhuj earthquake. All buildings which did not have this type of provisions collapsed. Along with them, the inmates and the property had perished. So it is advisable to provide these bands. This has come into the Indian Standard Code of Practice. This provision has come and it can be used.
Long walls of more than 5,000 millimeters should be avoided. For such lengths, a reinforcement must be provided in the middle, or it should be joined by a cross wall in the middle. Like windows, doors, and ventilators, weaken the walls. Therefore, the size of the openings must be small as far as possible, and they should be provided away from the corners and from each other. To compensate the loss of strength due to openings, reinforcement should be provided around the openings. If a pitched roof is required, the two slanted roofs should be joined through what are called bracing members. Projecting parts and attachments, such as balconies, parapets, suspended ceilings, and the like, should be avoided as far as possible, as these are the parts to get damaged and fall first. If provided, these should be secured to the main structure of the building using proper reinforcement. The height of the parapet should be small, and it should be properly secured to the building.